Sweet potato casserole with pecan crumble. Hey everyone! Welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. Today I am making sweet potatoes casserole with pecans crumble. Let's make it. Step 1. Sweet potato mixture. Wash the sweet potatoes. Pierce each potato in several spots with the tip of a knife or fork tines. Wrap individually in foil. Place the potatoes on a sheet pan. Heat the oven to 375 F. Bake until soft when gently squeezed. About 1 to 1.5 hours. Unwrap the potatoes and set aside until cool enough to handle. Peel the potatoes, smash with the fork until smooth. Mashed sweet potatoes 2 cups. Sugar 1/4 cup. Nutmeg powder 1/8 teaspoon. 2 eggs beaten. Half and half milk, 1 1/2 cup. Butter 4 tablespoons. Vanilla extract 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Generously butter a shallow baking dish. Transfer to a baking dish and smooth the top. Step 2. Pecan topping. Pecan or walnut 1 cup. Chop the pecans into small pieces. Brown sugar 1 cup. White flour 1/4 cup. Butter 1/4 cup. Stir to combine. Mix until mixture is coarse and looks like peas. Don't overmix. Sprinkle topping over sweet potato mixture. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F, 165 degrees C. Bake until topping is lightly browned, about 30 minutes. Let stand at least 15 minutes before serving. Serve and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks. Bye.